Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix script hook V critical error in GTA 5. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. To fix the script hook V critical error, you have to delete the mod. The mod is currently outdated. So you have to wait for the latest update. So let me show you how to remove the mod. You have to go this PC, the GTA 5 directory, GTA 5, then find dinput .dll, delete this. Okay, now you can play the game without the mod. Now let me show you how to install the script hook V. To install it, go to the script hook V or the link in the description. Then you have to download it from here. Then open the zip file. Open the zip file. There is a bin folder. Open the bin folder and you have to copy these 3 files and paste it to GTA 5 directory. Epic Games GTA 5 and then replace it. Done. Now you can play with the mod, but I don't think it will work now. You have to wait for the latest update. So thanks for watching.